Good morning, everyone. Have you ever noticed that almost everything we do in life is about managing risk? Um, Companies invest in millions in cybersecurity, compliance, insurance, business continuity, and governance. As individuals, we invest in our health, our careers, our savings, and our future. Lahat ng yan mahalaga, no? But Psalm 34 reminds us of a principle that is higher than any risk management framework. Fear the Lord. That's the term. Now, when the Bible says fear the Lord, it doesn't mean matakot sa Diyos. It means to honor Him, respect Him, trust Him, and allow His wisdom to guide every decision we make. Sabi ng Psalm 34, those who fear the Lord lack no good thing. Then God gives us very practical leadership principles. First, guard your words. Second, speak the truth. Third, turn away from evil. Fourth, do what is right. Fifth, seek peace. And lastly, at higit sa lahat, trust that God hears those who call upon Him. Sa totoo lang, after more than 2.5 decades in risk management, I've come to realize that the biggest organizational failures rarely start with technology. Mas madalas, nagsisimula sila sa compromised character. No? A small lie, a shortcut, a conflict of interest, no? One unethical decision, hanggang sa lumaki na at maging full-blown crisis. That's why I always say, integrity is the first and strongest line of defense. The beautiful thing about Psalm 34 is that God never promised us a trouble-free life. In fact, no, He says the righteous will face many troubles. Again, many troubles. Pero ang pangako niya ay hindi ka niya iiwan. He will deliver you. That's the confidence of a godly leader. Not because life is easy, but because God is faithful. So, here's my Pinoy Riskman challenge, no, for you today, my friend. Before you manage your financial risk, before you manage your business risk, and before you manage your career risk, manage your heart first, no? Because when your heart when your character is anchored in God, your decisions become wiser, your leadership becomes stronger, and your life becomes more resilient. Ako po si Jong, your Pinoy Risk Man. Remember, we manage risk, but God remains in control of everything we cannot. Have a blessed day ahead. Kita-kits po ulit sa susunod na podcast na Pinoy Risk Man. Have a pleasant day.